Howdy folks, here's a part 3 video, still at the Botanical Gardens, but right now I'm actually right by the community center where you can find the gift shop, but that's not going to be the focus of this video. What I want to focus on is actually in the water, and without further ado, I want to show you guys. Alrighty. So right down here, we've got ourselves the well-known koi fish, which is actually spelled K-O-I. Now what's fascinating about the koi fish is that a lot of them are a result of artificial selection, which basically means they've been bred by farmers in the past for desired colors, because as you can see, they come in a variety of colors. Some of them are orange, some of them are gray, white, black, or even yellow too. But what's neat about the koi fish is that they basically are an informal name for the colored variant of the wild species called Cyprinus rubrofuscus, which is also known as the Amur Carp. Now, the Amur Carp was found native in parts of Southeast Asia and China as well as Japan. So, it's clear that these were actually brought over, as they're not really native to North America. But the koi fish are mostly used for ornamental purpose. So they don't really exist in the wild. But they had to use a wild breed in order to create the koi fish. It's quite amazing what you can really do with genetics. How you can get desired outcomes. But koi fish, they're actually a very docile type of species. They're not really aggressive, and oftentimes they won't really hunt for other fish. So in a sense, they couldn't really survive in the actual wild, as they weren't really bred for that purpose. They mostly just help add beauty to a given body of water at, say, a botanical garden. But these guys are actually very social. They like to be in groups, as you can tell. There are quite a few hundred just right here. You can definitely tell that they are well acquainted with people, because they're fed quite frequently. So that's another thing too, why they're not really in the wild, because it would just be too easy to hunt for them. Though it has been said that you can eat them, it's still not really advised. But yes, these were originally bred in parts of Japan and China, especially when they were using rice paddies. So it's quite neat, really, to understand how koi fish really came to be. But that's all they do, really. They just simply add beauty to a given body of water. And oftentimes, as you can see, koi fish can grow so large that they can reach up to 35 pounds. That's insane. So that means you have to have a large body of water that can basically support these, because they require a lot of water and space, given how social they are. They don't really appear as isolated. Not only that, but they have to have clean, filtered water as well for them to survive. So yeah, mates, if you really ever decide to have koi fish, at your home, make sure that any other fish that might be in your waters are not aggressive when it comes to hunting. Because if that's not the case, then your koi fish would not survive. But yeah, that's why a lot of botanical gardens have something called a koi pond. But it's just neat that basically they don't really naturally occur. They're just a result of artificial selection of a specific breed called the Amur Carp. So they had to have like a host to use. So this video really provides an excellent example of genetics and what people can do to them. But yeah, like they used to originally occur as red, blue, black, and white. That's it. But now you can see them in a variety of colors. So alright you guys, hope you enjoyed this little video regarding the koi fish. So, alright you guys, take care. And once again, journey on a journey is outwards. Take care folks. See ya.